Hey guys, Average Homeowner here. Today I'm going to do a project that I did before. Let me show you. If you remember a while back, I made this iPad holder. I built a couple of these for myself. I have one on the kitchen counter I use for recipes. This one I use to charge my iPad overnight. My issue now is I don't just have the iPad mini. I have the iPad mini. I have now a newer iPad, regular size, and I have my cell phone. I want to keep everything contained in one little package. So Jane goes, why don't you make something using the existing iPad? I'm going to modify the back of this by removing this to hold a couple of these things tucked in the back. I need to find this angle. I'm going to put it on these pieces. Actually, I'm going to set this up a little more. So I use my angle finding tool. That's it. You see, that's about the right angle. I'll put that on the chop saw and cut these angles in. So I have the angle on here. I'll just cut these in here and go from there. I have the angle cut in here, as you can see, but I have to notch out for this. So I did add that. I got to take that X out, and I will do that on the bandsaw. I pulled the back end off, and I have these cut out. See, they'll go nice like that, the right angle. Now I'm going to cut these slots out on the bandsaw for the iPad and the iPhone. So as you can see, I have my pieces together. I got a clamp on them because I'm going to screw them together, and I'm going to screw them together using these here finishing screws, which I like to use. Here it is complete. You got to watch when you use old stuff. There's a little crack in there, but it's still going to hold. But you got to just be careful when you're using old wood. Anyhow, the iPads and the iPhone will go in there. I left a little gap down here so the wires can come up and through. Hide in there. Jane don't like to see wires. So I just finished my project, a redo of another project. It's in the bedroom, looking good. Let me show you. So here's the complete project. One iPad, one mini iPad, and a phone. I actually have Jane's phone in here because I'm using my phone to video this, but cords are tucked nice away. That's all happy for Jane. So yeah, I think that project redo turned out just fine. Once again, this is the Average Homeowner. Till the next time.